Hey guys, we are back, and today I'll be unboxing the RENPHO hand massager Shiatsu heat and vibration massager. I'm very excited to test this one because I have problems with my hands. I think I'm showing early signs for carpal tunnel syndrome. So this is something I really need right now. So I'm hoping this is the one that's gonna work. I owned one, not the same company, but another hand massager that is pretty bulky. I think a little bulkier than this one, and it doesn't do anything. This is a little cheaper compared to that one, so I don't have any high expectations. This is $69.99, and it was a first release last month, March 15 of 2022. So we're gonna go see how good this thing is. Moment of truth. Are you worth that much? Well, the good thing is they packed this really good. See, nice packaging. Hopefully that's a good sign. You never know. Okay, so manual is here. Warranty is 1 year. So that is a good thing. So if you guys are planning to use these, this is 1 year limited warranty. I don't know what limited means, but go see how good. Pretty simple. Okay, operation instruction, product care maintenance. They even showed you these here, an acupoint, which is good. Okay, we're gonna go see later on if that is a good thing to have. I know acupressure is really good, or acupuncture. Okay, so this is about 12 inches, almost 12 inches lengthwise. And you can use these either plug-in or wireless, so that is a good thing. So fabric is nice. Quality wise, that's pretty good, impressive. It's pretty plastic, but at least it's not so chippy kind. Where is, ooh, nice guys, look at that. USB-C, which is a good thing. I am expecting that it's going to be a USB-C since it comes out this year, but you never know. I have seen some products that says latest or brand new, and they are using the old version for USB-C. Not a USB-C use. So I don't know what this is. We're gonna find out, I guess. Ooh, nice. Feels good. I guess a manual massager. Oh, that's so good. I'll be using this hopefully. Well, this thing feels good. We don't know about this one yet. And then looks like this cord is pretty nice. Look, heavy duty, impressive. Okay, we're gonna see how long this is. So this doesn't come with a plug or just cord, so you're gonna have to have your own cord or plug. We have the cord, not the plug. Again, only the cord, doesn't come with a plug. Okay, so pretty long. So I guess you can plug it in by the bedside table and use it. And the bag is nice. Does it have a smell? Nope, no smell. Made out of cotton, which is good. So that makes it easy for you to store it so it doesn't get dust and stuff. So now let's go ahead and try this one. We'll be using our left hand. Okay. So you can feel when you put it inside, you can really feel where you're supposed to put your palm. So that is a good thing. Okay, now long press power. Ooh, battery indicator. Mine is, so you guys can see fully. You guys can hear the noise. Okay, and there's also a heat feature. Let's try the heat feature. Okay, there is mode. So there is only one setting, looks like it, for heat. So, oh, nice. It's not that hot, but it warms up really quick. So I'm very impressed. Okay, hold up a second. Let me go put up a box under, so I'm not crouching here. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and it feels really good. I'm very impressed. The other one that I have that I told you guys, it's 100 plus and it doesn't do a thing. This one you can really feel. I have a smaller hand and this really grabs my hand inside and you can really feel the pressure. So now let's go try the vibration. I like that it is pretty big out here and it really shows you what you can. Okay, guys can hear the vibration sound. A bit loud for me because I'm wearing a headphone and it's still loud for me. Vibration wise, I'm not liking it. I think it depends, I guess, on your preference. But for my preference, the vibration is more like just vibration. You know when you're holding your phone and then it's vibrating because somebody's calling you? It's kind of like that. It's not so bad. Okay, let's go try the intensity. So it doesn't do much. I think the intensity doesn't really do much vibration wise, but I think because I have my hand differently, I don't know. Okay, the problem that I am experiencing right now, I can feel the pressure, but if you don't put your hand correctly, you're kind of like just somebody squeezing your hand. And so let me remove the heat for now. The heat feels good, but since it's hot right now, I don't like it. Now let me try the mode. Okay, let me long press again and try to put my hand correctly so it's not crooked. Alright. I'm not sure how it's gonna work if you have a fatter hand or bigger hand because mine just okay, maybe this way. Okay, now let's go try and long press. Long press to start. There we go. You can really feel the pressure that it is kind of like grabbing you as soon as you about less than 5 seconds and it's there. Now let's go try. I'm not a fan of vibration, that I can say right now because it's kind of noisy for me. It doesn't really do much. I guess if it's something, whoa, that is very, 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 very tight. That is L3. Oh no, my hand. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a different mode. Not the mode I wanted. Once it grabs your hand, you cannot scoot it or move it. Depends on the mode. And the thing is, it's really working into the hand and just have a little pressure on the wrist part. And that's it. I was hoping there is more on the wrist since I have a carpal tunnel problem. So maybe if he moved. So this is just an initial review. I didn't read the instruction. Oh, there it is. I can feel the pressure on the wrist this time. What is this one? LR3. What is the mode? LR3, level 3, mode of 4. So mode 4 is what I have right now. And level 3 is pretty tight for me already. That's the intensity. What is the 4? Holy camoles. It's extremely tight. There we go. And now let's go try. If you have issue with the wrist like I do, it feels good, that's for sure. Because it kind of removes the pain. And that is exactly what I needed right now. Okay, now let's go try the M5. Okay, now I'm using the M5. No, so far I'm not liking that. Again, I guess this is based on what you really need. The good thing is it really put pressure on your hand. Massaging wise, I'm not really sure. It's very, very mild. It's mostly, if it's vibration on, it's really just vibrating. I guess over time you kind of feel better that way. But I have to get used to that loudness and that feeling. I'm not a fan. So let me go try that off. Okay. So this is auto shut off every 15 minutes, I believe. So if you forget and just try to put your hand, And then it's not a problem. Okay, so based on quality, I really appreciate it. It looks nice. User friendly, yes it is. Does it feel good in my hand? If you have, oh my god, it's really squeezing my finger. I think I'm only on level 4 on my, okay, let me go put it on level 3. I think this, what level is that one? That's the intensity. Oh my, what am I, M2? Okay, so again, if you're using these, kind of try to adjust it slowly and better than what I'm doing right now. But it is a pretty nice, that is for sure. I tried it on my other hand and you guys can see it really makes the mark because it presses really good. The pressure is tight, but it helps makes it relax, which is nice. So if your hands sweat a lot, you're gonna have some issues. Because I put lotion before I use this one and I can feel my hands sweating already. Okay, and with that I said, okay, another thing that I want to give emphasize is that they use a thick cord for this one, heavy duty. They don't usually do that with a lot of products nowadays, so I'm very impressed. Great job, RENPHO. Okay, guys, so this is a RENPHO hand massager. That is, so it says a RENPHO hand massager with heat, 6 levels of compression massager, electric hand massager, machine for wrist, palm and finger relax, and fatigue soreness relief. And it is $69.99. Came out last March. So this is technically a month old. So we got the new gadgets. Yay! Okay, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If this is something you're gonna be using. And like I said, I think it's worth the price and it feels very good in my hand right now. I'll be definitely using this every night before bed to give my hand a good massage and relaxation. I hope before I completely finish it, I want to show you guys what my arm looks like after 9 minutes of massaging. That's how tight that thing is. And my hand, look at that. That says a lot. So if it says it's a very, very, how do you call it, strong pressure, I am not kidding. Look at that. Okay, that is that. I guess that is a good thing. So far, so good, and I am happy with this product. So you guys have a wonderful one, and thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video and would like to support my channel, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And with that said, I hope you have a wonderful one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.